One of the main things we have to look at when picking a grease is load carrying or impact. Take into consideration a dump truck getting a load of gravel. Those bearings get a sudden shock, and now you've got grease that you want to maintain in that bearing. You don't want it spreading out. To simulate that, we have our rat trap test here, where we're going to compare SWEPCO greases with major competitors. We'll take and put a dab on there, activate the rat trap, show the difference, and then even reverse it so that you can see there's nothing special about this rat trap. If you put your thumb on there, it'll break your nail either way. So we'll start with the 105 grease. And I'm using the millimolar to try to get an equivalent amount of grease on each side. You want to make everything equal. Here we have the SWEPCO 105, and here we have the competitor grease. And I'll unlock and release the grease. And you can see SWEPCO grease is right around here in the area. The competitor grease has hit the sides. Then when I pull this up, you can see the competitor grease is gone, while the 105 is still in place. And as you can see, after I've pulled this back, the 105 is pyramiding. In other words, it's still there, it's still tacky and protecting the metal surface where the competitor product is gone. And you can see the grease is here along the ring. Whereas this one, the grease is right there, right around the impact area. And there's no grease out here on the ring.